can AI accelerate impact within the manufacturing function of life science organizations? With the use of intelligent technologies, it's possible to gain efficiency and have optimal quality control. Let us show you how. Imagine you're a quality manager. You want to be able to control the process, making sure the drugs are produced according to your high standards. With the intelligent use of historical activity data, we can determine the quality of your drugs and create real-time insights. Even if you want to determine the quality by visual inspection, AI Solutions enables you full control on millimeter scale and on nanoscale. Now that you're in full control of the quality of your drug, you want to make the manufacturing process more efficient. With the power of AI, it's possible to optimize your machine settings and rules, which results in quality improvement, increase in precision and yield, improving safety and reliability. AI can even improve your planning and forecasting inside and outside your factory for medicine with different storage conditions, medicine with different lead times, or specific transport requirements. Even when you have a sudden raw material shortage or your machine breaks down, AI enables anomaly detection in your track and traces data, making sure the right person is alerted and changes your planning. It's time to take your company to the next level. It's time for AI.